You're not changing the rate and the rhythm of the breath. One. You are not changing the state of the body. Body is comfortable and steady. Breath is flowing normally. So when you are dropping Om Shanti inside, being aware of the space, the mind is working on the mind. And leave that, even just you look inside the crown of the head, be there, check that if the mind remains there, Om Shanti. Wait, have a feel the space, and again, when you see the space, again drop Om Shanti. Then see what happens. We'll understand in the master's class with the same step why we do that. Space means waiting. Waiting means you are aware. Then you see the space inside the forehead. Om Shanti. Again, you the space, wait. Do nothing, remain as you are. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. We share our experiences once we return. Bring your mind on the right hand, your mind on the left hand. Lift your both the palms, place it on your eyes. Open the eyes inside the palms. Know your experiences and bring the hands down. How are you, Charlie?
Hello. It took me a while to settle down today. But when at the end of the meditation, I felt that I was watching from here and I was quite still.
Quite still. That's beautiful. Yes. Another part is that when it takes a lot of time, it is again. Now, just understand it's somewhere from some impression. Those past impression returns. Sometimes we recognize them, sometimes we do not recognize them. But doesn't mean that practice is not successful. It demands practice, practice, practice. How are you, Sophie?
Hello. Uh, I'm very good, but I think I fell asleep.
I felt, yeah. So primary level of a seeker, so the teacher says, very good. At least you fell into sleep. So as we grow higher into the journey of meditation, no, the sleep should not come. You should understand that. So what is the understanding between the two? That the sleep comes, the man emotionally dependent mind is not interested in meditation because of some impressions. So, but
Yeah.
it is okay. So next time when we do the practice, we should be able to maintain that awareness. Yes,
So, but I'm sorry, but it seems it's becoming a habit.
you are great. That is a good question. If it becomes a habit, then it means we are not progressing.
Yeah.
Even though when we practice meditation, we fall into sleep, we are totally relaxed and we return from that freshness. So, yes, that is so what preventive steps we do. And I think you are doing it. One is that always practice meditation while sitting.
Yeah.
One. Second part is that before the start of the session, you either do a lot of breathing or you simply relax completely at least 5 to 10 minutes before the start of a session. So that will prevent if mind blames that no, you are already tired, so fall into sleep. Two. Third, simple practice. Do the deep, silent and slow breathing before the start of the session, maybe 10-15 minutes. So 5 minutes, deep silence, slow breathing, 5 breath a minute means 25 breath. You check the watch, second, maybe 5 or 6 breath in a minute. So these are the primary steps to get rid of the sleep, to change that habit. How are you, Anne?
I'm fine. Do you hear me?
Yes, I hear you. I don't
Okay.
see you. It doesn't mean that I.
Okay. I'm in the twilight zone here.
No, no, it's okay.
I had a good experience. I didn't have anything else going on. I
Yeah,
just thought I was aware of the meditation, so I was grounded probably before. And
yeah.
at the end too, so it was very good experience for me. Yeah.
Very good. Very good. You see that sometime Anne also complains of sleep. And some today it is not sleep.
No.
She was able to maintain her awareness. So the reason being that now it is not the habitual pattern, and sometimes the sleep comes because of the past impression. It pushes the mind into unconscious domain.
Mm.
For that, then we have a different set of practices. But no worries, even the sleep is coming. But I already told you 3 more steps to do it. Let us see and tell me that you have done it. Then we will go into meditation. That is all for today. Thank you, my friends. We'll meet next